What is up, party people? Welcome to Columbia, South Carolina. Just over 2 hours away from where my in-laws live in Georgia, and where my wife is living while I'm on the road. You see, rent in New York is really expensive.
Rent is too damn high.
It's one of the most expensive places to live on the planet, and the vacancy rate is just under 4%, so it's very hard to find an apartment. Because it's so hard to find an apartment, we're able to sublet while I'm on the road. And because Ginny is fortunate enough to have a job where she can work remote,
Yes.
it means she can work from Georgia for 9 months while I'm on the road, and we can save roughly $18,000 to dump into our student loans.
Yes.
Because we are aggressively paying down our student loan debt.
Yes.
Because we have a lot of it. Like 4 times the national average. So, Ginny's in Georgia while I'm on the road. Ha, Virginia's in Georgia. And she's coming to see the show tonight with her mom and her aunt. Columbia, South Carolina is a fun city with a recently revitalized downtown. It's got tons of shops, restaurants, and other thriving businesses. There are plenty of museums, free activities, and a ton of outdoor recreation. Columbia, South Carolina is also a hot spot for theater, especially for a city this size. There are several local theaters and universities with theater programs, and 3 different venues large enough to handle touring productions like ours. Here we play the Koger Center for the Arts. Built in 1988, this gorgeous theater is in the heart of the campus of University of South Carolina, and it seats over 2,200. It was great to check out this city for a hot minute and to see my wife for like 27 seconds. Next stop, Columbus, Georgia. Thanks so much for coming out. Chase your dreams and cheers.